Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can enable dark mode in your Sweatcoin app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to enable dark mode in your Sweatcoin app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you open it, you need to tap on the profile icon on the left hand side of the corner and tap on the settings option. So once you have tapped on settings, you can find the appearance section where you can find three options like automatic, light and dark. So simply tap on the dark option to make your app darker or enable the dark mode, or you can even choose the light mode to make it lighter. So you can choose the mode settings according to your preference, or you can also choose the automatic setting to enhance the appearance of the app accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.